Alright, so I got a new Razer Cynosa Chroma keyboard. Check it out. Waiting for my Call of Duty to update. I had to run hardwire because otherwise it's taking forever. So this is my new keyboard. New keyboard for gaming. This is what I had before. Sorry, it's a little dusty. But this came with the computer, pre-built computer. Now let's check this bad boy out. Hopefully it's better. So here's the keyboard. Cable. So let's put that there. Little manual. Nothing much in here, but there's the keyboard. Let's plug it in. Give me a second. So here's the keyboard. Here's a keyboard. It looks feels a lot better built. Has like some weight on it, so like it doesn't slide that easy. So looks like the colors change. I still gotta change my mouse so we can game a little faster, a little better. This one came with my computer, my Skytech computer. It's pre-built. So there we go. Here's the keyboard again, and then all of a sudden I plugged it in, and then we got this Razer gaming software. So I guess you can do a couple things with it, with the lights and stuff like that. So it looks like you can Alexa with it and stuff like that. So let's install it. Pretty cool. You can personalize it, your settings, I guess, or something like that. So here's the software. This is what I didn't get, but I guess you can pair with like a couple apps or like with Alexa and stuff like that and have some features built in, but it's a little confusing. I'm gonna have to look it up, play around with it. Overall, the keyboard itself, I've been playing with it. Very smooth, nice weight to it. Oh, look, I accidentally turned off the lighting, so let me see if I can turn it back on. Always on. It's a little confusing. I pretty much don't understand it, but for gaming, right now I have the lights on, but I messed something up. I don't know what I did. So it says I can manage the Chroma app. So I don't know. A little confused on the app and what it does, but it looks like you can pair it, and looks like you can pair it and do some effects with it. If you have one of these and you're able to customize it to your liking, please suggest something. Like right now I was messing around with it and turned off the lights on accident, but very smooth keyboard for gaming, and not bad for the price. I paid about 45-50 bucks for it, I think, on eBay. So very nice. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you liked this video. Thank you.